Discover how to manage your content using View Studio. In the Asset Library, tap on an image to display it. Open the remote on the right to see the current state of the asset, including color controls, position, rotation, scale, and more. Adjust settings like saturation, and see real-time updates in the preview. Explore color correction, black and white levels, shadows, and highlights. Use the Transform tab to adjust scale, rotation, and position. Changes appear immediately on the connected display. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos like this one, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base or technical support, visit our support site at view.network/support. To contact support directly, email us at support@viewstudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510.